Alright, doing this roof wash here. Got the rubber roof. It's pretty nasty. If you look in some areas, it doesn't look like it's really that bad, but you can see after we put the detergent on there, it's coming up pretty good. So we'll go ahead and keep pre-treating this roof. And we did blow off all the debris. It is on the side here with a lot of tree cover. So we went ahead and blew off all that. I got a guy in the ground keeping everything wet. And we'll just keep spraying.